Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Janvi Darshan Raut, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department of Pravin Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. In this video, we are going to learn, study our next part of digital modulation techniques, that is various types of digital modulation techniques. So first we will start with ASK, amplitude shift key. ASK is the digital carrier modulation in which the amplitude of sinusoidal carrier will take one of the two predetermined values in response to 0 or 1 value of digital input signal. The amplitude of resultant output depends upon the input data, whether it should be a zero level or a variation of positive and negative, depending upon the carrier frequency. Now, generation and waveforms. The amplitude shift key is the simplest type of digital modulation. So, here the carrier is the sine wave of frequency Fc. Amplitude shift keying is a type of amplitude modulation which represents the binary data in the form of variations in the amplitude of signals. So, here is given the following block diagram of amplitude shift keying modulated waveform with its input. Advantages of ASK: it offers high bandwidth efficiency, it has simple receiver design. ASK modulation can be used to transmit digital data over optical fiber. ASK modulation and ASK demodulation processes are comparatively inexpensive. Its variant on off key modulation is used at radio frequencies to transmit more codes. Disadvantages of ASK is it offers lower power efficiency. ASK modulation is very susceptible to noise interference. This is due to the fact that noise affect the amplitude. Hence, another alternative modulation technique such as BPSK, which is less susceptible to error than the ASK, is used. Applications of ASK: low frequency RF application, home automation devices, industrial networks devices, wireless base station, low speed telemetry circuits. Next type is frequency shift keying. FSK is a digital modulation system in which the frequency of sinusoidal carrier is shifted between two discrete values in response to the digital input signal 0 or 1. One of these frequencies, f1, represents a binary 1 and the other value f0 represents the binary 0. The representation of digital data using FSK is as shown. The advantages of FSK system is simple process to construct the circuit, zero amplitude variations, supports a high data rate, low probability of error, high signal to noise ratio, more noise immunity than ASK. Error-free reception can be possible with FSK, useful in high frequency radio transmissions, preferable in high frequency communications, low speed digital applications. Disadvantages: it requires more bandwidth than ASK and PSK. Due to the requirement of large bandwidth, this FSK has limitation to use only in low speed modem, which the bit rate is 1200 bits per second. The bit error rate is less than AGN channel than phase shift keying. Application: FSK is used for low data rate modems. Now next, one more disadvantage, that is, as the telephone lines have a very low bandwidth, it is not possible to satisfy the bandwidth requirement of FSK at higher speed. Therefore, FSK is preferred only for low speed modems. Next is PSK phase shift keying. Binary phase shift keying is the digital modulation system in which the phase shift of the sinusoidal carrier is shifted between two values 0 degree to 0 degree and 180 in response to the value of digital input signal 0 or 1. 0 or 1. Phase shift keying PSK is the most efficient of three modulation method. Therefore, it is used for high bit rate. In PSK, phase of the sinusoidal carrier is changed according to the data bit to be transmitted. So here is the waveform of PSK, or you can say binary phase shift keying. It is also known as binary phase shift keying. BPSK modulator. The block diagram of binary phase shift keying consists of balanced modulator which has the carrier sine wave as one input and binary sequence as the other input, following the diagrammatic representation. Here is the waveform of BPSK modulation. This is the demodulator, which consists of mixer with local oscillator circuit, bandpass filter and two input detector circuits. By recovering the band limited message signal with the help of mixer and circuit and the bandpass filter, the first stage of demodulation gets completed. Advantages: the system is simplest and has more power efficiency. BPSK has very good noise immunity. Disadvantage: it has low bandwidth. Application: it is used in low speed communication. Thank you.